oftentimes there's projects that we have to mitigate conditions for. So some strategies or advice I give is trying to understand what those conditions are before you get too far down in design. Sometimes we get a project that's already from concept and into preliminary design, and there's some geotechnical issues, be that faulting, be that liquefaction, slope stability issues, whatever it may be, or soft ground. And sometimes these can be avoided and the project still might make sense, right? And so really kind of understanding your site constraints up front is the first part, I would say. And is there an alternative to the project that the owner and the stakeholders are okay with before we get into solving a complicated problem that might have an easier fix than just geotechnical design, right? Some strategies we've used before when we have, for example, liquefaction induced settlements and they're excessive is either putting your foundations on deep foundations or a mat foundation, and understanding how that affects the rest of the project is important too, right? If you're going to put pile foundations, are there environmental issues with an open pile construction method and connecting potentially groundwater from one aquifer to another, and it might be contaminated. So just kind of thinking everything through, right? See how our solutions affect other disciplines and other site conditions rather than just focusing on it. But some strategies for high risk areas is looking at some of these foundation alternatives, potentially ground improvement. And like I said, just seeing how it all kind of fits together. And is there a way to avoid the issue altogether?